Back to 2021, we introduced the new Magsafe 3 cable that charges new MacBooks with Apple Silicon. I guess someone has accidentally lost it and has to buy expensive original cables. Today we got a Magsafe 3 cable from a third-party factory, not from Apple. It also supports 140 watts and magnetic charging, but at a lower price. Let's take a close look at the cable. It adopts pure black woven jacket, not midnight. The Magsafe 3 connector adopts matte plastic with an LED light in the middle. Those 5 alloy contacts are the same as the original Magsafe 3 cable and can be compatible with the latest MacBook Air, latest 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro. There is an extended tail between the connector and the cable. Compared with Apple's original Magsafe 3 cable, it can greatly improve its durability. The USB-C does not adopt a full pin design, same as the original Magsafe 3 cable. The ChargerLab PowerZ KM003C shows there is no eMarket chip inside. And the length of this third-party Magsafe 3 cable is about 2 meters, same as the Apple original Magsafe 3 cable. The diameter of the cable is about 3.5 millimeter. When charging the MacBook Pro, it also provides a strong magnetic connection like the original cable. Next, we use this third-party and original cable to charge the latest MacBook Air M2, 16 inches and 14 inches MacBook Pro. Both can support 140 watts PD 3.1 fast charging. So we continue to record the charging curve of fully charging this 16 inches MacBook Pro with this third-party Magsafe cable. The voltage is always maintained at 20 volts. The peak power is about 90 watts for 34 minutes. Then it gradually drops to 70 watts, 43 watts in turn. After an hour and 11 minutes, the charging power gradually drops to almost zero. It takes 2 hours and 4 minutes to be fully charged. As we can see, it can be charged to 50% in 34 minutes, 80% in 59 minutes, and 100% in 2 hours and 5 minutes. It's only 11 minutes slower than the original Magsafe 3 cable, which is acceptable considering the lower price. So if you don't like the design of the original Magsafe 3 cable, or just lost it, you can consider this good and cheaper alternative. Okay, that's all for today's video. Please drop a like, leave your comments down below, and subscribe to us. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!